If you are transforming your traditional face-to-face course to an online course, you may be wondering how to effectively engage students. Online course development can be daunting, but it's worth exploring if you want to understand how to best support your learners with the resources available to you. Would you like practical strategies for online course creation? Would you like to understand the types of online learning, instructor roles, and resources to facilitate interaction? Would you like to understand strategies for developing an engaging course structure? The Teaching Excellence Online Teaching and Learning course provides you with a practical teaching and learning toolkit for immediate use in your online course development, filled with engaging videos, real-life examples of effective strategies, and opportunities to apply your learning. This powerful 2-hour course is relevant, but also short, saving you time by getting right to the point and providing you with downloadable cheat sheets for later use. Welcome to Teaching Excellence Online Teaching and Learning.